For today's video, we're here with our friend Pete from Movetastic. Ta-da! We're here in his headquarters to show you all of our favorite moving supplies, and we're gonna tell you how we use them. Right, Pete?
Right.
So there are multiple different types of boxes that we like to use. One of them is called box beaters. And the reason we like these is because they are not only green and sustainable, but they also stack really nicely. You don't need tape. They come with a labeling system, and they come with a dolly so you can roll them easily across the floor when you're packing.
We use different size boxes to pack different things. We use small boxes to pack heavy items like books. We use medium boxes to pack things like kitchen appliances. And we use large boxes to pack light things like linens.
The wardrobe box is one of my personal favorites. Everyone has hanging clothes, and what we do is we put the box together and we have a hanging bar. And this holds 2 feet of linear closet space, straight from the closet into the wardrobe, and then we button it up for transport. Welcome to the protection section. For your furniture, we have a couple different items. We have a sofa cover that we put on your furniture before we wrap it with blankets and shrink wrap, and that keeps it dust-free and clean. And for your mattresses, no one wants a dirty mattress. So we put a mattress cover on top of your mattress, we tape it on there, and that helps during transit and storage. But we primarily use packing paper for fragile items that end up in boxes. So for our plates, we're gonna wrap them really nicely with packing paper. Anything that's fragile, we'll put it into the box. Any open space in the box, we'll fill with crumpled up packing paper to fill the void.
Yeah, he talks about filling the void. It means that we are making sure that there is no air or any space where anything could potentially get damaged when there's pressure on top of the box. However, if we're wrapping something that's really, really fragile, we tend to use bubble wrap because that gives it an extra layer of added protection, and then we'll still put paper around it to make sure that nothing gets crushed.
It's really important to have lots of different colors of tape. So we label all of our boxes on the corners, 2 corners and the top for the movers, so they know exactly which room to put which box. And we also create a nice guide for all of our clients to guide their movers of which color equals which room. Secondarily, we love these 2 specialty tapes. One is fragile, which you can see here, and one is open first. Because you know those boxes of all the things that you need, like the remote control and things like that, you need to know which box to open first, and the movers definitely need to know which box is fragile. Personally, this is my favorite tape to use. It's a 2-pack, it comes with a dispenser, and it's actually pretty affordable. So this is what my team uses.
Is it though? Because I personally like this type of tape. It's a little bit more environmentally friendly since it's made of paper, and you don't need a dispenser for it.
Hold on a second though. Us professional movers use this tape. Super easy to rip, covers up your boxes great. Look at this, all day. These are some of our move day essentials. First off, you want to have a good pair of gloves. After an entire day of lifting up boxes and putting them down, your hands get beat unless you have a good pair of gloves. Secondly, we want to have a bunch of markers on hand. As soon as we pack a box, we're going to label it. And if we don't, we're going to forget what's inside of it. And then finally, it's great to have a good box cutter. Box cutters help with breaking down boxes, augmenting them, and it's just a smart tool to have on hand.
This isn't necessarily an essential, but we love to have Post-its on hand so that we can label the boxes before we label them, or put the Post-its on the walls to label where the boxes are going to go. Also, an apron, another non-essential, but something that's really handy on move day to keep everything close to you and easily accessible. Finally, a pro tip, what we like to use are box tacos. Not that kind of taco. We love to use these when you're in a kitchen, everyone is packing, there's lots of people moving around, and you've got these flaps that are in the way. You can simply pop these on and it'll put the flaps down. It makes it easy to see inside your box, and it clears the pathways around it. Very handy.
Now that we've gone through all of our favorite packing supplies, let's put our skills to use out on a move. Let's roll.
Here at Mission to Organize, we're not just known for our award-winning YouTube channel. You can also check us out on our other social media platforms for all of the tips and tricks. For everything from home organizing to move management, Team M2O has your back. We'll see you next time on M2O TV.
And this is what our team uses when we're packing.
Is it though?
And we use this box for small items.
And I was doing like a little like nod.
All right, we can do some nodding. All right.
Yeah. All right.
First, for your furniture, we like to use sofa covers to cover sofas.